Let's take a look at this Zippo lighter. It comes in this box. That's the store I bought it from, William and Penn. This costs around 2,750 rupees or $38 or so. Genuine Zippo lighter. It's made in USA. And a thank you note from Zippo. It has this really nice finish. And it comes with a rating. It's kind of amazing that these have become collectibles. So many amazing designs. I didn't know when you bought it, it doesn't come with any fuel. Instructions on how to use it. So let's light it. Really well made lighter. Quite nice. Check it out.